back to another one chart lesson. Today is a very fast and easy lesson. We're going to do Stay by Kid Laroi and Justin Bieber. It's going to be fast and easy because there's already a lot of tutorials out there for this song, but I just want to do a really quick way to do it because it's a great little riff and it's a very simple song. So what we're doing is we are using a capo on our first fret. That changes the key obviously to F, well, the chords we're using rather, F, G, A minor, and E minor. Now that's a 4-chord progression that goes right throughout the song. So once you get that, and you heard that on my loop at the very start, I used F, and now, of course, with the capo on the first fret, it's not actually an F, it's an F sharp, but it looks like an F. F, and the chord looks like an F. Also, it can be an F major 7, that also works in this song, but for simplicity's sake, F, G, A minor, and E minor. To get the sound that you hear on the recording for this little riff, there's a delay setting, like that. If you're earballing it, you just set it to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're able to actually precisely set it, it's I think 348 milliseconds. Now, once you get that, it helps keep you in time and it makes this riff sound really great. Now I've tabbed it out. It's very simple. We go through those 4 chords. It starts on F. Hammer onto the first fret on your B string from the open string. And then with your pinky play the 3rd fret E string. Then reach over for the G. You can either do it with your 2nd finger or you can move your 3rd finger over to the G. Hammer onto the 1st fret B string again, followed by the open G. Then you go to your 3rd chord, the A, open A string. Same thing again. Then the E. So you go hammer onto the 1st on the B, hammer from the open string to the 2nd fret on the G string. That's the first time through. The second time through, the only difference is when you do this E chord, or E minor chord, you go hammer onto the B, come off back to the open B string, and then open G string, hammer onto the 2nd fret. So it's almost exactly the same, but it's instead of, right? That's the riff all the way through. Then if you want to, like the strumming pattern that you do in this song can be anything you want. You'll hear the bass go, or rather, all the way through. If you want to do, something nice and creative with those chords, F major 7, which is an F chord with the open E string on top, slide that up 2 frets for your G. And it gives you a really nice open sounding G chord, different voicing, A minor and E minor. You can do that. And you can also finger pick, do any kind of pattern you want with that. But it's basically those 4 chords all the way through that song. So really easy, a lot of fun to play. It's a nice riff. Knock yourself out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you here again soon.